Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to learn the few examples of pair of lines depending on general second degree equation in x and y. So, we have here the question, show that the equation, here is the equation 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. We have to show this equation represents a pair of lines. Also, we have to find the acute angle between the two lines which are represented by the equation and the point of contact. We discussed before what is the general second degree equation in x and y, what is the angle between them, and what is the point of contact. We take all these three in the one example. So there is a solution. Let us we have here the equation of the given equation is. So the equation is 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. We compare this equation with general equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. हमें क्या करना है कि ये जो भी गिवन इक्वेशन है उसे हमें जो जनरल इक्वेशन होता है उसके साथ कंपेयर करना है. तो जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमें दिखेगा कि a की वैल्यू 2 है, therefore a is equals to 2. Here is 2h equals to 1. So therefore h is equals to 1 by 2. 2h equals to 1, the h equals to 1 by 2. Here b is equals to minus 1, b is equal to minus 1. 2g is equals to 1, so that's why g is equals to again 1 by 2. Similarly 2f is equals to 4, so यहाँ पे f is equals to बन जाएगा 2. और लास्ट में जो कांस्टेंट होता है c वो होता है -3 and therefore c is equal to -3. So these are the values of constant terms. अभी हमने कल एक कंडीशन देखी थी कि कोई भी जनरल इक्वेशन है दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन y and when the determinant, so we get here the determinant d, determinant, we have the formula a handsome girl having beautiful face going for college. We find the value of this determinant, and after, if the determinant value is 0, then we can say that the given equation is represent a pair of lines. So substituting the values, we get here value a. What is this? It is 2. H is equals to 1 by 2. G is equals to again 1 by 2. H is again equals to 1 by 2. B is equals to minus 1. F is equals to 2. G is equals to 1 by 2. F equals to 2. And C equals to minus 3. So better solution, we take 1 by 2 common from each. So that's why we can take here 1 by 2 common, here is 1 by 2 and here is 1 by 2 common. So we get here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8. Understood, students? We take 1 by 2 common from this row, 1 by 2 common from this row, and 1 by 2 common from this row. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it becomes 1 by 8. Remaining here 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 and 1. Here is 1, here is minus 2, here is 4, and here is 1, here is 4, and here is minus 6. So doing this, we can take here 1 by 8 times. Now we do the determinant. So 4 into minus 2 into minus 6, that is 12, minus 4 4s are 16, minus 1 into minus 6, then 4 1s are 4 minus 4, and then plus 1 into 4, then minus into minus plus 2. We can find this. So we get here 1 by 8 times 12 minus 16 minus 4 and minus 4 into plus 4, that is equals to minus 16. Then minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 into plus minus 1. So we get here plus 10. then plus 4 into plus 4 and plus 2 plus 6, 6 ones are 6, so plus 6. As we get here 10 in 10 plus 6 16, minus 16 0, and the determinant becomes 0. Therefore the equation represents pair of line. So that is the first equation. Why? Also that the equation represents a pair of lines. So that is, if the determinant value is 0, then the equation represents a pair of lines. If 2 marks, the question is for 2 marks, then you are only asked this, so that only the equation represents a pair of lines. अभी हमें क्या करना है, एडिशनल क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि फाइंड द एक्यूट एंगल बिटवीन देम. सो द एक्यूट एंगल between pair of line is, what is that? We have the formula tan theta is equals to mod 2 under root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. So putting out the values, we have here 2 under root of h. What is the value of h? So here is h equals to 1 by 2, the square becomes 1 by 4. Minus a into b, so minus 2 into minus 1 divided by a, that is equals to 2, and plus b means minus 1. So plus minus 1. We solve it, so we get here 2 under root of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, minus into minus, plus 2 divided by 1. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, so it becomes 9 by 4. So that's why we get here under root of 2 under root of 9 by 4, and 2 under root of 9 by 4 means 3. So we get here 2 into 3 by 2, 2 becomes again cancelled. We have here tan of theta is equals to 3, and therefore theta is equals to tan inverse of 3. So this is the angle between the pair of lines. So this is the angle between the pair of lines. Now the angle between, now the point of contact is, the point of contact is given by, the formula is hf minus bg divided by ab minus h square and gh minus af divided by ab minus h square. Now अब हम क्या करेंगे कि वैल्यूज पुट अप करते हैं. सो आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू, h की वैल्यू कितनी है? द वैल्यू ऑफ h इज 1 by 2, द वैल्यू ऑफ f इज into 2 minus the value of b, the value of b is minus 1, and value of g is 1 by 2 divided by a, the value of a is again 2 into minus 1 minus 1 by 4. So again here the value of g is 1 by 2, value of h is 1 by 2 into value of b is minus 2 into 2 divided by a की वैल्यू होता है 2 into minus 1 और h की वैल्यू है 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर होगा 1 by 4. After solving this, we get here 2 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, then plus 1 by 2 divided by, here is minus 2 minus 1 by 4, यहाँ पे होगा 1 by 4 minus 4 divided by minus 2 minus 1 by 4. इसी को सॉल्व करेंगे. सॉल्व करने के बाद हमें मिलेगा यहाँ पे 3 by 2 और यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा हमें minus 9 by 4 और यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा 4 4 का 16, 1 minus 16 minus 15 by 4 डिवाइडेड बाय, यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा हमें minus 9 by 4. इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद में ये क्या हो जाएगा 3 by 2 और 4 by 9. तो अगर 3 by 2 और ये 4 by 9 हो जाता है तो 2 2 कैंसिल और 3 3 कैंसिल, तो मिल जाएगा वो 2 by 3. So we have here minus 2 by 3 and here is 4 4 cancel, minus 15 by 9. So 3 factor is cancelled, so minus 5 by 3. So we have here minus minus plus 5 by 3. So this is the point of contact. The required point of contact is minus 2 by 3 and 5 by 3. So this is about the second example of the same topic. We have here find the value of P and Q. That is P. That is the P and where is the Q. We have to find the value of P and Q if this equation represent a pair of parallel lines. So अभी ये जो इक्वेशन है वो पेयर ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. तो पैरेलल लाइंस अगर रिप्रेजेंट करता है तो क्या होगा? तो इसके लिए हम देखेंगे सॉल्यूशन. So given equation is that is the equation 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx minus 50qx plus 2y minus 50 is equals to 0. ये जो इक्वेशंस है, इक्वेशंस को हम फिर से क्या करेंगे? तो जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ पेयर ऑफ लाइंस के साथ में इसे हम कंपेयर करते हैं. कंपेयर करने के बाद में जो वैल्यूज मिलेंगी तो वैल्यू ऑफ a मिल जाएगी हमें यहाँ पे 2. देयरफॉर वैल्यू ऑफ a इज a इक्वल्स टू 2. h की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 4. h इज इक्वल्स टू 4. b इज इक्वल्स टू p. देन g इज इक्वल्स टू q by 2. f इज इक्वल्स टू 1 and c इज इक्वल टू -50. So this is what the values of a, h, b, q, f and c after comparing with the general equation. Now as the lines represents a pair of parallel lines. Already equation है जो parallel line को represent करता है. अगर वो parallel line को represent करता है तो हमें पता है कि अगर parallel line को represent करेगा तो h square is equals to ab. As equation represents parallel lines. So therefore we have here the condition h square is equals to ab. So putting the values of this h square is equals to ab, the value of h square is 4. So we have here 4 square is equals to a, that is 2, into b, that is equals to p. So therefore we have here 2p is equals to 16. This implies that p is equals to 8. This is what the value of p. Now also it represents a parallel line. Also it represents pair of lines and therefore this determinant a हो गया फार्मूला कंप्लीट. a हो गया फार्मूला कंप्लीट and b is always equals to g. तो इसमें हम वैल्यूज पुट अप करेंगे. वैल्यू ऑफ a कितनी है यहाँ पे 2. सो 2 h की वैल्यू हो गई यहाँ पे 4. g की वैल्यू q by 2. देन h की वैल्यू फिर से 4. b की वैल्यू p है बट p is equals to 8. so here is 8. then f, वैल्यू ऑफ f is 1. Then again here q by 2, then again here 1 and then again here -50. So -50. This value, this determinant is 0. Solving this determinant 2 into, so therefore 2 into 15 × -120. So -120. -120. Then minus 1, so minus again 1. Then -4 into 15 for the 60 minus 60. Then minus q by 2 and then plus q by 2 times. We have here 4 minus 4 ones are 4 minus q by 2 into 8, that is -4q is equals to 0. So solving these values we get here -121 into 2. So we have here -242. Then minus into minus plus 4 6 are 240. Then minus into minus plus q into 4 into q by 2, that is twice q. Then again here plus twice q. Then -4 into q minus 2q square is equals to 0. So solving this 240 minus 242, 240 minus 242 minus 2. So we have here minus 2q square, minus 2q square plus 4q minus 2 is equals to 0. I solve here, dividing by minus 2 we get here, therefore q square minus 2q then plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the square, therefore we have here q minus 1 and its whole square is equals to 0. Therefore q minus 1 equals to 0 and therefore finally the value of q is equals to 1. Thus we have here the values of p is equals to 8 and q is equals to 1. So these are the values of p and q.
Stop.
Thank you.
Stop करो.